Hey guys, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and today I wanted to come in and do a walkthrough of creating custom dated pages using Canva. And so, what you have on the page, you'll see on my page here, is a pre designed layout that I've done for a weekly planner spread. So I have Monday through Sunday listed on my page. I have some decoration, and you'll see I have these little things in these brackets for months and the days of the week. And those I'm going to use to link my data. So I'm going to go to the apps in Canva, and I am going to look for the I'm looking for bulk creator. I forgot the name of it for a moment. So I'm going to go to bulk create. Okay, so here it's telling me to add my data. I can add it add it manually or upload the data. I'm just going to do enter data manually, and I'm going to clear out the table. And I have a spreadsheet here for that has the dates for the year of 2020-25 for the full year. So I'm just going to paste that information in, and I'm going to click done. Okay, so now I need to link. Let me go back. Okay, actually, I've linked these because this is a page that I've already utilized. But what you need to do is, so what essentially I'm having here, I'm going to have the day of the week, and then I'm going to have the date. And the ones that's in the little curly brackets is the ones that I'm going to use to input my date. So I'm going to go to connect data, and I should have changed this. Let me go back to my table. Enter data manually. Month, year. Okay, this needs to be up here. Month. And I'm going to put the year. And then I'm going to do my days of the week. I'm going to do Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. And it's going to be Sunday. And then here. I don't know why my thing is having trouble on here. Okay. So what I would need to do is I need this row to be cleared. So, but I'm not seeing how to do that, so I'm just going to backspace out of here. Okay, and I'm going to click done. Now when I go back over here, you'll see that over here I have month, year, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So my Thursday is not linked because it's not purple. So what I need to do is click on it, go to the three dots and click more and click connect data. And then I'm going to pick which column heading that I want. So I want it connected to that Thursday, and all of the others have been connected. Now, when you're first doing it, it won't be connected. But like I say, this is a template that I've used before, so everything is set up. But if you didn't, you would do the same thing for each one of these. Once you have your table set up, you would right click, just click on it and then click on the three dots, click connect data, and you would pick whichever one is appropriate. Once you have everything linked up in your on your page, you're going to click continue. And here it's going to go through and it's going to show how it's linking out that data. And then it's going to say generate these designs. And I'm going to click generate. And then a new window is going to it's going to pop up in a new window. And it'll take a few minutes. Okay. And so here we have the dated pages done for us in just a few moments. So you'll see here, you scroll through and it has the pages that are dated. Now, one of the things that you'll note because of the way that my table is set up is that I have each of the week, when it starts a new month, in the middle of the week, I have it so the table was set up so that it leaves these blank here. So then you have this. Now you wouldn't, depending on your preference, you probably wouldn't want that to be like that, because that may confuse somebody. So what you would need to do for your table is to actually move these ones that hang over onto the row of, you know, make them all be that the 7 days are going straight across there. But this is just the way that I had this particular table set up. So this is why you'll see it like this on there. But this is just a really quick and simple way to create some dated weekly pages, custom weekly pages. So all you would need to do is design one page of your document and then have a table with all of your dates that you want to use. So whether you were doing it for 1 month or if you were doing it for the full year, you would set your table up one time and then you would link it, and you can easily, once you have this set up, you can easily change out your designs to something else and create a multitude of weekly dated planners. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. And I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.